In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shop sections to your Etsy store in 2026, because recently Etsy made changes to the entire listing page and the way you add shop sections now is different. And what those are basically folders that organize your listings into categories that buyers are searching for. But here is something that many people miss. Whenever you create a new shop section like this one, for example, Etsy creates a new URL that Google is indexing. For example, if it's high volume keyword and someone is searching for that exact phrase, Google will push your entire shop section to them. And that's basically double SEO for free. So let me show you how to create them. Just go to your shop manager on the top, then listings on the left, and on the right you're gonna see sections. Keep in mind, Etsy allows you to have up to 20 sections at once, but I suggest you keep it around 10, because if you have too many, it will overwhelm the buyer, and if you have too little, that means you're just lazy. Just add a few more and that's it. So you just click manage, you just add section, and whenever you are creating the title, use keywords. Don't just name them like my favorite stuff, whatever it is. Just use a keyword, for example F1 vintage prints or custom wedding banners. Whatever you do, I don't know, just use keywords, trust me on that. And yeah, that's that. So how to add the listings to them? You just click on whatever you simply want, scroll to the very bottom, and you're gonna see this section appear. You just click on it, add, and then publish changes, and that's that. So let's go check out the store. So as you can see, at first there are the featured items, then you can see the shop sections on the left, and yeah, thank you all for watching.